Hi guys, I want to share with you my little harvest that I collect today from my garden. These are my little onions. I planted these from seed. They didn't do much during the summer, but now they're really making. These are some onion tops I got from some other onions that I had. And these are my sweet potato greens. Yep, my sweet potato greens. I'm still eating sweet potato greens, guys. Yes, I am. Guys, oh, and my sweet potatoes. I had already harvested these, but I decided I want some baked potatoes tonight, so that's why I got these. But guys, my daughter has this rice recipe that I like, and today I just had a taste for it, and I asked her some of the ingredients that go into it, and she mentioned spinach. Well, my spinach is just popping out of the ground. It's just popping out because it didn't do me any good to plant anything until the weather turned cool. So now they are popping out of the ground. But I wanted this rice recipe, so what did I do? I said I'm going to substitute. I'm going to substitute these sweet potato greens. I'm going to substitute these. Yep. I don't know how it's going to taste, but I can try it. I can try it. And then next time I'll know whether it works or not. But I'm going to try it. I believe it's going to be okay. I believe it's going to be okay. But guys, I'm so thankful for this little harvest. All of this is fresh. The onion tops, my little pearl onions, and my sweet potatoes. Guys, my sweet potatoes are almost gone. Just a few more left, and they will be gone. But anyway, guys, I want to share this with you because I'm still growing sweet potato greens because I have no other greens. So these have just been doing very well for me. And guys, I made a little makeshift greenhouse, which I will share with you one day. But in that little makeshift greenhouse, they are really doing well. So I'm going to have sweet potato greens tonight. Guys, I forgot to show you my pimento pepper. I didn't harvest it today. I harvested a few days earlier. But this is also going in the rice. So this is a pimento pepper. And guys, this is what it's looking like before I put the egg in. I don't know how it's going to look after I put the egg in, so I'm going to show you this before I put the eggs in. The red is the pimento pepper. This green is this dark green is the sweet potato greens. So this is what it's looking like. It's smelling so wonderful. So we'll see what it tastes like. However it tastes, I'm going to eat it.